Hey you guys, happy Monday. Sorry to be missing you again today. I'm home with a sick kiddo, so I just will keep this short and sweet, but I wanted to check in with you and remind you of some things for this week. First of all, today you are going to do a little TED Talk activity. It'll be on a Google assignment. It will take the whole class period, and there's a viewer's guide that goes with it, which I'm going to go over in a second, that I want you to turn into the period 5 drawer for a grade. I'm sure you are well aware of this, but in case you forgot, you'll have your free cook day tomorrow and Wednesday. And I don't have the cooking groups right here in front of me. I'm at home right now. But if you made, what did we cook last week? I can't even remember right now. Oh my gosh, waffle bar. So if you did the waffle bar first last week, then you will be cooking on Wednesday. And if you did the waffle bar second, you'll cook tomorrow. You guys know how that works. Feel free to bring in supplies starting, well, tomorrow morning if you didn't bring them in today. Just a reminder, please don't come up to my room until you see me arrive Tuesday morning. You will know I'm there when the doors open and when the light is on, and you need to come in and label your supplies and find a spot for them in a fridge somewhere. Okay, so moving on. Of course, you know it's the last week of the semester, so you'll do these TED Talks today, and then free cook days tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday we will clean, and Friday will be just our last day together for the semester. So I just want to show you this Google assignment really quick and cruise through it. You will see on your stream it says TED Talk activity. And if you've never watched a TED Talk before, I think you're in for a real treat. TED, oh golly, what does it stand for? I just saw it on one of the pages. Technology, Education, Discovery, I think. Anyways, they have talks on all sorts of different topics. I tried to find topics that you would find interesting as middle schoolers. And so the first video I want you to watch, it's actually on YouTube, but it's a TED Talk, and it's called What We Can Learn from Middle Schoolers. I want you to get a viewer's guide from the substitute, and I want you guys as a class to read through it all together before you get started. As you're watching this TED Talk, the first one here, I want you to fill out that viewer's guide. It's kind of in-depth, and I imagine it'll take you some time to fill it out. You can stop the video as much as you need as you fill it out. I guess your objective for today, the main thing I want you to look at and discover is what the speaker's thesis or their main point of the speech was. And then you get to decide, was it humorous, inspiring, persuasive, repetitive, confusing, intellectual, dull? And so you'll kind of give your feedback, your opinion about the video. You will turn this into the drawer for a grade, okay? If you finish that and you have some extra time, which I imagine you will because it's only 13 minutes long, I've included 4 additional TED Talks that you can watch. These 3 are each about 5 minutes. This one at the end is a little longer, like 10 to 12 minutes long. But again, I thought they were kind of cute and interesting, and I hope you take away something from them today. So have a good Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.